this is the typical shot that I take whenever I'm doing a travel vlog, especially when I wake up at a very fancy hotel, and especially when the balcony is amazing. I mean, I've never stayed in such an amazing balcony, but anyway, this is my typical shot. But when you're in Maldives and when your backyard balcony is like this next level, we get one more shot. Hey, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Hope everyone is doing great. So this is the first deck, that is where you come out from. Proper room tour, I'll be giving it in this video today. You come from there and this is the steps you take, and then you're literally surrounded by water all around you. That too, ऐसा water नहीं, it is proper blue water, Indian Ocean's blue crystal clear water. No camera on this planet, doesn't even matter if it's Sony A7, S3, doesn't matter if it's Sony A9. Why are we talking about cameras now? You have to come and visually experience this. When I tell you guys, cake is very delicious. You people can just understand it might be delicious, but when you eat it, that is when you experience it. Amazing. So basically these are water villas, literally on the water. They're just supported by these pillars. I hope they are very strong. Anyways, it's not like really deep here. This is shallow waters. I think all this part is like that. Unless you see that dark part over there, that might be more deep. But this blue part is usually not deep. But there is one danger. I mean, you can sit like this, aram se. I just need to be careful with my camera. I hope I don't drop it, and even my phone, dude. Yeah, so you can sit here, chill. Oh my god, why didn't I experience this yesterday? Actually, we'll sit here and have some coffee now. We're just getting ready. We're getting fresh to go to have some breakfast. So you can sit and chill here. Only thing is, it is a little bit scary to get into the water today. Water levels rose a little bit. You see here? Literally to the edge. A beautiful feeling, such an amazing feeling. You can see the water level might be around 3 or 4 feet max. Yesterday it was like literally 2 feet. And more importantly, now there are no fish, but yesterday we saw sharks. Unfortunately, at the right moment I couldn't capture them. But yeah, one thing, I'm very disappointed about one thing. Wherever I travel, rain god is like killing me all the time. Even last night it was raining so heavily, and especially when you're surrounded by a sea like this, you get really scared. The way it's thundering and all that. I mean, if it rains in such open areas, you know how it is, right? It smashes. Anyways, we came here not to do like crazy adventures and all that, especially when you come with your family. So we're just chilling, but I'm planning to do maybe scuba diving tomorrow. Charan and Manogna are doing it today. I think they already left. Pooja is not much into adventure sports. That's okay, everyone has their own taste, and especially with Naisha, that is a more important thing. Very beautiful, yeah. You people have to one time experience. I mean, you might get this kind of experience anywhere else, but Maldives, one time for sure. Now, whatever we said till now on our vlogs, next level, wherever we use that word, take it back, because this is a truly next level, right? Isn't that time lapse next level? Guys are ready?
Yeah.
I'm planning to have coffee here. Niche बैठ के.
Yeah, sure, later.
Only thing is, Chotu is very dangerous here. Especially when you have kids, you have to be careful in water villas. We are trying to keep all this locked all the time so that she doesn't run around. Doesn't do it much, but oh, there is one more. Oh, we'll give a tour later. We are here for breakfast. You know, my concept about breakfast is you never eat what you get in Hyderabad or what you get in India.
My concept is eat whatever you want.
I'm eating all the fancy stuff, all dirt, all junk. Lot of pancakes, lot of croissants, chocolate croissants. But Pooja is having typical dosa.
No, second round.
Dosa, idli. What is this?
I'm not eating idli. This is puff pastry, this is banana cake.
Puff pastry, banana cake, dosa and kobbari chutney. Maldives ko aake, international trip ko aake, you're having dosa?
You didn't see my plate before?
Okay, we are kind of ready and we are planning to do the room tour today. Pooja is looking full on ready. Next level ready. She is also kind of ready.
You're also next level.
I'm not next level ready. I'm
What
wearing the
else can
typical
guys
black
wear? What else
t-shirt.
can guys wear? Shorts. That's it.
Shorts and black shirt. Anyways, I don't mind that because I love it. Black color is my favorite.
बाहर से चलो.
Yes, we'll start.
You forgot the room.
No. I didn't forget any room tour. Pooja is saying I have to start from outside. But this is a place where you have to start the room tour from inside.
How come?
Because there's nothing much in the room. It's typical room. But outside is the beauty here. Alright?
Okay.
Chalo, let's
Then
rock.
why are you going outside?
We have to go outside. This is the room. This is not the room. This is the room. Because beauty is outside, not inside.
कुछ भी.
Obviously, you came to see this beauty.
Yeah, but from our room also you can show that beauty. That's a better
Welcome to
beauty.
our crib.
Welcome to our crib.
I mean, the moment you step out, this is what you're greeted with. Look at this view, yeah.
Okay, let me do some.
Right? Amazing blue waters all around you. I like this. It's an electric scooter. I don't know the brand and all that. I don't have words, dude. Look at it. Amazing. So these are the water villas. Come in.
Naisha's alone, I can't leave her.
Not till here we'll go. So as you can see, you have all this deck to walk. You have to be very careful because it's literally, I don't know how much is this, 2.5 feet, 3 feet. Nights may especially you have to be very careful because if you step a little bit that side, you're gonna fall. It's not really deep. It's not really deep.
The current is high today.
Today the current is high towards that
It's
side.
been raining.
Yeah, it's not too deep. It's around I think 2 or 3 feet max. If you fall, it's gonna cushion your fall. And then all these are connected. As you can see, all these are connected. Actually, we wanted that side villas.
Which are we supposed to get
That
today?
side, because you get that ocean view. This side you get another view, which is not that great. This side, if you watch, it's like entire ocean. That side you have another island. So you have your own private beach if you want. Like just walk till there, jump off. But yeah, whatever you're paying, it is worth it.
More than
Definitely
worth
worth it.
It's amazing.
Especially for such beautiful blue view.
Okay, I have to.
Okay, now
Now
let's go into the room. The room is like a typical 5-star room. Nothing fancy about it. But hey, we have to show the washroom. That is fancy here. This is a washroom we have never seen anywhere else. I'm sorry for my hair and all this because I should have done that, yaar. Before coming here, I should have cut my hair. Too long ho gaya, and especially in places like this where there's like crazy wind, it's all going haywire, left and right. Okay, now we are inside the villa. This is called the water villa, and you also have island villa, something like that, which is on an
Beach
island.
villa.
Beach villa, sorry, which is on a beach. But when you come to Maldives, you need something like this, a water villa, not a beach villa. Beach villa you can get in India as well. This is something that you don't get anywhere else, only in Maldives. Maybe there are some other countries, but you know any other countries that have
I
something
mean,
like this?
Goa, we did it so many times.
But you don't have water villa, right?
Yeah, what? I think Lakshadweep has it, but we obviously.
I heard
don't talk
Lakshadweep
much
is
about
much more beautiful, but no one talks about it on Instagram. No
Because-
celebrities go there.
Because you YouTubers
So we
are
don't
not
know.
there, no? You'll come only to
We'll go Lakshadweep also next. Anyways, this is the area from where you enter.
Yeah.
Once again, emergency evacuation plan. Especially if you are in a place like this, it's scary to see all this.
Yeah, actually.
Evacuation plan, why tsunami?
Stop it! That's the first thing I asked you.
I'm ready. We are ready for anything. What can we do if tsunami
है तो
comes?
है, सही है.
So this is where you enter and you have this chota sa, I think 5x5 area where you just drop your luggage like this. You have some storage space over here. Don't know what we're gonna put there, but then we enter into the main room. We'll show the washroom later. That is a more fancy part. Workspace very important. Though I did not work much this time. I want to relax a little bit. This is the workspace, and we got our fancy glaze. Whenever I travel, I like to wear this glaze. Then we'll wear this bar. I hate these bottles actually. They are too complicated. I mean, you need to handle them very slowly. If you drop them, you'll be charged like bombs. One more disadvantage about such a bottle is
Naisha.
when Naisha is sleeping,
Yeah.
you can't keep them like. They'll make a lot of sound.
She got hurt.
Arre. That's why you be with us. Where? Show me.
इसका रेड होगा क्या?
By the way, I just realized that we put a lot of tan. Me especially.
Me also.
You are not tanned. After 2 shades of tan also you look white.
No, I'm tan. I can make it out.
Seriously, you can see this difference. This is called tanning. This is not called tanning.
That's what you think.
Okay, where did we stop? Okay, this is the workspace.
Drawers.
Drawers, nice drawers, but Pooja put all the baby stuff in this drawers.
Yeah. It's very nice.
A
for
huge
the
pedestal or whatever you call it. Side table, sorry.
Side
Side table. With fancy lamps.
Side table of their accent क्यों?
And some fancy pampers.
Oh my god, hamper!
We have diapers. And the picture that Pooja really loves.
Oh, I love this.
This is the
Abstract is my
abstract painting.
favorite. I used to.
So anyone who is interested to send us a painting that we were asking for, this is the thing we were asking for. And when I said it's an acrylic thing, you know, it's like rough. It's got this raised painting. I don't know how to
Wait,
define
I
it.
don't know.
So if someone wants to send me, please, I'll pay. Nice painting like this. This size, right? It should be this
Yeah,
size.
actually for a
or
living room.
maybe we need two of these.
I think
One
this
here
is a
and
square. I think rectangle will be better.
A
for
rectangle
living
one
room.
also would
Square
work.
living room might
Like
not be great.
this.
Yeah.
And then we have our fancy Jordans that we wore to
Oh
Maldives.
man, that's not part of the room tour.
It is more than that. Most important thing, the bed. It's fancy. It's very nice.
Ujja, I'm scared
Very
to
beautiful.
sleep.
Very spongy spring bed. How much will you rate the bed? Sleep quality is around 9 out of 10. You know
Okay,
what?
10 on
We
10.
can actually sleep properly. Only problem is the rain. So look at this roof.
And
Show that
whenever
roof.
Shiva and I really sleep, it starts thundering.
Show that roof.
It's beautiful.
Roof is beautiful, but it makes this lot of sound
The
when
rain
there are like big droplets of rain. You have sound and you can't sleep. But otherwise, bed is very beautiful. And once again, we have the beautiful cushy pillows. Next, we have this. Actually, this can be considered a third bed, right?
They actually,
It's huge.
it's a kid bed
And
actually.
look at this.
Yeah. We're
Kid
using
bed.
it more like a couch.
And kids can't sleep over here; they might fall. And then the most important part, coffee
Where you
bar,
do your job every morning.
where I do my job morning and night, and evening and afternoon.
Night, oh please.
I had like my third coffee already. Time is around 12 o'clock now. Third coffee done. This is where we have. Oh, we have to show this. What types of coffee and tea you get in Maldives?
Same,
We have
huh?
to talk about this. You did not have this, but you know it's a small, a normal Nescafe Classic. It's a small pack, but then it is so strong. First day when I put this, I put 2 because usually I do that at home. And it was so pungent, it was very strong. Then I realized 1 is enough. I don't know why is it so different here compared to India, but I love this. And take a couple of these.
हाँ अब चोरी कौन करा?
Me, I'm
पूजा
sorry.
बोलेगी अब कुछ तेरे
Especially
ब्लॉग
when coffee is so nice, I would like to take
अच्छा.
it. No, your story sometimes helps
Your,
when we're traveling.
my stories always help when you want a tissue or you want coffee or you want sugar.
Yes.
Now I'm going to ask you for a change.
Now also we have masala chai. Finally, you want to feel Indian?
Yes.
Masala
I
chai.
had it on the first day. It was awesome.
Then we have ginger chai.
Which you hate.
Ugh.
Shriman
You know
is
what?
alam,
I like.
I love.
I don't like any tea. I like plain chai. I don't like this masalas
I
mixes.
love alam.
English breakfast. And then we also have pure Ceylon gunpowder. What is this? Never heard of this?
I didn't even see.
Sugar cane sugar. Then you have white sugar, milk. Hey, we have
A mini bar.
wine glasses.
Yeah, I
We have a fridge which is untouchable. Reason being, anything you touch here is charged. You are not charged till here. इधर से पूरा charge है. Maldivian beer, Sprite, Fanta, Coke, and soda. Small coffee table here. One more very important part of the room. Once you open this up, you get to go to this beautiful place. Sit out, deck, whatever you want to call it. Come out. You know what? You can't simply step out like this. Cinematic style, man. First walk out like this, and then look here and there, and wear your glasses, and then again. Just kidding.
I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you.
I'm having fun here. It's okay. Naisha is busy watching videos. Once again, those typical Shafa videos. Coming to
My
Maldives
Shafa,
also,
she's
she's doing
Nafa.
this. Firstly, the deck is nice and beautiful. It's a wooden deck. See, whenever there's wood, it becomes premium feel. You have a small coffee table here once again to chill, which we did not use till
I
now.
sat there.
Yeah, I
First
couldn't
day.
sit here. I saw only clothes hanging here yesterday.
That was, and yeah, clothes
We were
which never
drying
dried.
clothes.
We were trying to tell them
Pooja
what
actually
happened.
dried her clothes here, and then it started raining heavily.
Flop ho gaya.
And then you have these fancy chairs again, where you can go into the sea, take a bath, come back. I mean, take a swim, come back and chillax. You got a thumbnail. This is 1 level fancy. No, that is 1 level fancy. This 2 level fancy. Now 3 level fancy is this. You have
I'm
a
gonna use it
bathtub.
today.
You
Today I'm
have
gonna use
like a crazy bathtub, outdoor bathtub. I never heard of this concept. Look at this bathtub. I mean, look at the background. So you're gonna just get into it like that. On this side. Once again, we got a thumbnail. This is the view you get when you pay. We paid no. Level 3 of fanciness. Now level 4. You need to go down. See this?
If I drop your camera.
Literally, don't drop the camera. Why do you get all these wild thoughts? You and my sister. She said, what if your bike is stolen? How do we steal this bike?
We just practical
I'm showing you
women.
all fancy
We
stuff.
think out of the box and we're
Out of the
proactive.
box and you're trying
We
to
are
steal my
modern
box.
women. So that's why sister and I think like that.
You come down the deck and you have this once again
Yeah,
fancy
don't-
place.
Once again, don't jump off inside. The current is high today.
Current is high actually.
Very
Yeah.
high,
I can see it like flowing.
Yeah, it's crazy. One thing.
Morning actually showed this.
Nice.
Hey, it's actually become blue now. Much
That's
more
beautiful.
bluer.
Why do you go down and sit and take a show? Go down. Bye. Rewind, go
Bye,
down.
bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, this is the best I can go. One more step, I'm in the ocean. I'm in the Indian Ocean.
Wow. We were in the ocean yesterday for so
Wow,
long.
nice thumbnail you would get,
Yeah.
right? This is the shot we might not get always, so let's capture it. I mean, look at my legs. Almost there. You can see under the deck as well. We'll capture it.
Capture this.
Oh yeah. Emergency use only life. Where is life jacket?
We took it yesterday.
How can they take the life
There was
jacket
an
like that?
emergency.
This is not done. What if there is some emergency? We need a life jacket.
Nothing, just
I
call
can't
the
go to the reception and come now. That's it. This is the life jacket.
Yeah.
So instead of the life jacket, they put a ring. Anyways, let's get a thumbnail. Come.
Look up. No, Maya, this is bad. Wait.
Girls, chalo, abhi all this is okay. Okay, now we have to tour the washroom. That is actually fancy.
That's where I like to be.
The best part about this whole resort, the best part about the whole of Maldives is the washroom. Actually, it's amazing.
Come on, I wouldn't say the washroom. No.
I'm just kidding. Yeah. You know, Pooja sometimes takes everything in literal sense. This is the fancy part now. This is the washroom. Did you ever experience a washroom like this?
Ooh.
See that? Did you ever see a tub like this right beside the ocean? Let's give a demo once again. Get into the tub like this. Not with the clothes, obviously.
I'll give a demo when you're actually in the tub.
Oh, yesterday I took a shower here. I was relaxing, full on deep house music.
It was
Okay?
amazing, no?
It was amazing. It was amazing. Just sleep here, look at the ocean, man. You can even open these windows if you need.
That's the view.
Beautiful, right? Amazing.
तूने नहाया कि नहीं?
Zing zing. Huh? Today?
हाँ.
Today I was in no mood to take a shower in the bathtub. Yeah, huge washroom. Very huge washroom. Once again, you have the couple sinks here. Left and right, the king and the queen, or king and the queen. And then, oh, you have access to go out to the deck. Oh, jet ski. Show the jet ski. So in case you take a dip, you can come out to dip. You can come out from there, directly jump into the washroom. This is really thoughtful.
Very nice actually.
The commode section separately inside a showcase. This is the bath area. Once again inside a showcase. Once again, roof is amazing. Wooden roof. And then once you come out of the washroom, you have this area which is the wardrobe area. Along with, very important, we have the locker. This is a locker. I put my...
And see, here are the life jackets.
Oh, here are the life jackets. Finally, we have the life jackets. I don't know why, but you have a hit spray.
Because we're in the water, mosquitoes
Yeah,
are
when
there.
the
But
guy-
we didn't find any actually.
There are mosquitoes
Very
here.
few.
Maldives mein.
But
But not
we
much,
didn't-
not
but
much.
in our own touch
I mean, look at the wind. I mean, look at the wind. Why will you have mosquitoes here?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Humans are only flying off. Yeah, I put my laptop and all the expensive stuff inside the locker. It's very important. One pro tip in case you're traveling to good hotels as well. Doesn't matter if it's a fancy 5-star hotel, 7-star hotel, 3-star. Put your stuff, put your important expensive stuff inside a locker because you don't want to blame later. They'll not steal it, but in case something happens, you don't want to blame them, right? Who wants to take that tension when you're enjoying a trip?
Here.
What?
Go there and stand. Over. Putti ko ye dena pada because there's water and we're very scared. So we have to
That
be
is one
completely-
thing. If you have a kid, you have to be a little bit careful.
Yeah, such
if you're
trips you have to be ultra careful.
if you're booking a water villa because you saw the place like how.
Yeah, tell them earlier we didn't want to do it. I said no earlier.
No, because the moment we booked the trip, we booked the hotel, we got a mail from the hotel saying, we will not take any responsibility. Mails like that will scare you, right? If you're traveling with a kid, it's your own responsibility. It's the responsibility of the parent to be watchful and all that. But then we know ourselves. We'll take extra care of all of these things. We're locking all the doors, not letting her. She's always with us. So no worries about that. And I don't understand. They gave us a chota sa TV. Yaar. I mean, we don't watch TV.
Who watches TV in
It's
morning?
okay. See, this is one thing. When you're paying, you should get everything. Doesn't matter who watches TV. Doesn't matter. Maybe some people like to come to Maldives and watch TV, which is stupid. But still, maybe some people are like that. What will you do all the time outside? Like nights, you can't see anything outside. You want to watch a big screen, right? You can watch a movie.
Right.
At least 1 or 2 hours, you can spend time here, chilling on the couch. Anyways, that's about the room tour.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Charan and Manogna went for the scuba diving.
Lucky people.
We are more lucky. We are also lucky. Chutko is giving us so much of entertainment.
Who is the
She'll make us run
Yeah, we
morning
always
to night.
sleep above.
Definitely with a kid, you have to make some compromises. You have to. That's how life is. But then there is more entertainment here. There's more real feels over here. I mean, when you have a kid, you'll understand. Of course, we can make time to go do scuba diving and all that. We'll have to take turns. Little bit of complication, but it's all worth it.
Anyway, I know you'll get me again, so I'll do it next time. I want to do Paris, Italy.
So, Paris, Italy. But you know, thing is expensive here. Only thing is we made a deal.
It's
We'll
not-
make a budget every
Yeah,
year.
yeah.
Once I'll be taking for the trip, once
Yeah,
Pooja will be
yeah.
taking me for a trip.
Yes.
Because both of us earn. So when you have both of the people earning, I think it's fair to
See,
split.
I want
Husband, wife ka we are giving a small tip.
No Europe right now because of COVID and everything. It's crazy there.
Yeah, thing is actually before coming to Maldives, I had a plan to go to Europe because that was one dream we had since the time we got married. But then that's not happening because of the
Not
COVID
married
situation.
since we met.
Since we met, not even married. But then that's not happening because of COVID situation.
Yeah.
Especially Europe, Italy and all these places. They're
It's
like
quite prevalent there.
yes, quite prevalent there. What is prevalent? English dictionary. Let's get a word. Let's get a word for our audience. What is prevalent? So
It's
it's
pretty much there.
English dictionary time. Existing a lot
It
there.
is a lot there already.
It is a lot there, bole to you can say prevalent there. We are waiting for Charan and Manogna. Once they come back from their adventurous activities, we'll take a review from them.
We're going to the beach and you'll join us there.
No, they'll call us. Let them call.
I
Oh,
know.
by the way, we have to tell you, you know how expensive is it here? No, normal call is fine. Like if you're doing a WhatsApp call, it's fine. Internet speed, one more thing. Think it's around 2 Mbps Wi-Fi speed here. 2 Mbps. Forget about normal network connection because a single call, international roaming mein, Airtel, is costing us 400 rupees per minute. You know that? 400 per minute, which means if you do like by mistake 10 minutes, you're gonna pay up 4,000 rupees. Immediately I switched off all my networks because incoming is also charged, it seems.
Oh, then I'll also do that.
Yours is not a postpaid, no?
Oh, right. Mera prepaid.
So one more thing, basically every island is a resort here, and it seems you have 1,200 islands. Maldives is 1,200 islands. Not every island, but some of the islands are made into resorts like these. This is called San Siam, not Siam, San Sia, right? San Sia Oruveli. Then there is the rank 1 San Sia Irufushi.
We wanted to go there.
We wanted to go there. We had our budgets also ready for that. But then there's a complication when you come to Maldives. There are two ways to take transportation, right? Once you come to the Maldives airport, from there you'll either have to take a seaplane to go to your resort or take a sea boat, a power boat like we took. Irufushi needs a seaplane only. The last seaplane leaves Maldives airport at 3:30 and we reached at 3:45. And if you want to take a seaplane, you'll have to wait till the next morning. That means we have to book a hotel somewhere in Maldives airport somewhere. Stay for a night, again next day morning, get up, pack everything up, book a seaplane and then go to that resort. This is a complication about Maldives. Especially with Naisha, we didn't want to do all that. Seaboat was much better, just get down.
And
But
swimming.
seaplane we have to do once. Before 3:30 you should reach. If you want to take the seaplane. So if you're booking a flight like that, then it makes sense. Otherwise, it's better you take a resort which has a seaboat. See, what is seaboat? I'm saying seaboat, speedboat. Okay, Charan and Manogna are here. I will talk about the experience of the scuba diving today later. For now, we are planning to click some nice pictures with that Sony A7 S3 with a fancy lens, 85mm. Planning to go there and click some pictures. Baga. Okay, we are on these swings which look fancy. We need this for Instagram photos, and Charan is clicking some nice pictures from there. She got onto this swing very easily, but it's not so easy. We had to help her. I mean, I had to literally lift her, and I realized you become very heavy.
Oh really? Yeah. So I've realized, Ulta, you picked up after very long. That's why you realized.
Oh
My
no!
weight is same since yes. Oh no, flop. My weight is same since months.
It seems it's been really long since I've lifted her up.
Yeah, no time. Shriman has only time to lift up his
అందుకే
camera.
హనీమూన్ ఏమైనా జాగ్రత్తగా లేకపోతే పడితే ఇట్లా.
Only camera को lift करता और nice shoe को.
But look at this view. I've been saying this dialogue from a long time that look at this view, but obviously look at this view. Okay, we are here for lunch. Heavy lunch. 1:30 perfect time for lunch. Only thing is, if you come a little bit late, you'll have all leftovers. And this I'm having, I don't even know the names. Grilled cheese tomato sandwich, and this is a hot dog. I don't know the names. This is some tomato ketchup and mayonnaise. There is Naisha enjoying her phone time, screen time. Charan got some.
Pineapple, muskmelon, bread, mashed potato. This one looks good. Spinach and
Actually,
veggies.
every day we were complaining that there's no good food here in the buffet.
As per the better.
Today it's much better, especially for the vegetarians. Every day there is a lot of non-veg food, but vegetarians did not have choices. Today they have it.
But did you like your non-veg food?
Taste, especially if you go for this free buffet, free ne, we paid. Nothing is free. Absolutely. Even if you want to get clicked with a GoPro for scuba diving, it seems they charge $50. Whatever it is, one thing what we really miss is air conditioning, especially in the restaurants. None of the restaurants have a good air conditioning. I mean, there's no air conditioning at all. You have to live with fans, and those are like literally dead. And look at me sweating like horribly. It is like
So why do you
29,
think they
30.
don't have AC here?
Why do I think there's no AC here? Cost cutting. What else can be?
Because like the property is cost cutting into customer.
They're also charging us so much. You have to have AC. Not complaining,
I
but
think the weather is always like this. We are sweating, but they are not.
we always sweat. I thought sweat in AC also. Maybe it is to do with the genetics. Yeah, actually none of the locals are sweating here. Look at me, full dark tan. iPhone is enhancing me. Otherwise, I'm looking horrible. Hey, cinematic mode. First time I'm trying on the iPhone. Look at this. And this me. Charan actually gave me a very good review. Charan and Manogna, both of them gave a very good review about the scuba diving. Especially like these blue waters, we have to do it. So I thought, let's go do it. We are going to the dive center here. Are you gonna do the second time or?
Aisha, I'm thinking what actually.
How much is it?
I will decide by 5:30. So $242 per person.
$242 is what?
$50 for video photo.
Yeah, plus tips, so $300 for a dive. On-road price is $330, which is 22,000 to 23,000 rupees. But you're doing it in Maldives, so it should be
Extra Maldives tax.
Maldives tax is like. Yeah, so right now we're going to book it. At least only for myself, Pooja is not doing it because of the baby. And yeah, we need someone to take care of the baby. And Naisha is okay with me for 1 hour. After that, she wants mama. Okay, Sriman, 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. See you here.
He's the instructor we are doing.
That's my instructor. Please take care of me. Yeah, this is where we need to start. The instructor is here. Tomorrow is my timing. As you can see, it's not like really deep. Shallow waters here. Maybe around 3 or 4 feet. Then you see this rope? We take this rope, go till over there. You see this different color of ocean there? That is where the cliff is. You can, there's like literally, I think 10 meters down. So from there on, the person will assist us. Yeah, but I think it will be worth it looking at all of this beautiful blue color waters over here.